Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ka Jila Meghalaya mentang si thok deng lai terik unai lar. Lyngba katnat Public Health Engineering PHE kelas Sdang ya kerukam ban buak kerdani distrik Lyngba ka program kebaan pentrikam hakari India hi porokwe ya kebalatip kum ka Swachh Survekshan Grameen arajar khat pra da ka jurep ya ka khoj ka suba ya ka bala penya da katnat drinking water and sanitation jong sarkar India kum shibinta jo ka Swachh Bharat Mission hakari India. Ya kini program na sedang ha conference hall jong ka office trikam u chief engineer PHE Shillong uba WR Lyngdo mission director ka Swachh Bharat Mission Grameen ha ka jingran lang uba SK Bla chief engineer PHE u KD Talukdar additional chief engineer PHE but uba A Lingkhoi state coordinator SBMG Meghalaya uba WR Lyngdo IS ha ka jingkran jong u lapatai halor kini ka jinglang play program bat kumju ya ka thong jong kini ka SSG 2018 kum ka jingbut den ya ki kam ka sarkar jela ha ka bay day bat ka khoj ka suba hapok kini ka SSG arajar khat pra kan don ke agency bala thong da sarkar India ka ban penlong ka jingjurep hau banai nailar arajar khat pra ka kunhun jurep kan sim nuksa na ki snong ki bala jet kum ka long kaman jong ki skul ki long yeng ki aganwadi center ki yeng mani ki yo bat ki jaka penan kampat ba ban yo kai phot halor ka khoj ka suba.
The government of India had again asked all the states to launch this program, the Swachh Survekshan Grameen program, by which the objectives of this program is to have a cleanliness, good hygiene in all the villages, rural villages, as well as maximum utilization of toilets and also the safe usage of toilets and as well as hygiene, a good hygiene sanitation in all the villages. And the target is that we will have a clean village in the state and in the country as a whole. And in view of this, we have been asked to launch this program in the state, and as soon as we finish in the state level, we will be asking the district level to launch the same program, followed by the block level and up to the village level, which will be launched by the respective deputy commissioners, the BDOs and the village headman respectively.